All right, we're going to go through some basic prompts that you might find yourself using with ChatGPT or any of these AI writers. So here's the down arrow button right here. Just click that, take it down to the bottom of what you've been looking at. So you can see that our previous one, we were looking at different t-shirt design ideas. So AI is going to be really good at idea generation, brainstorming, writing and content creation, editing and improving your writing, research and summarization, creative writing, formatting and structuring, SEO, which is search engine optimization and marketing, tone and style. So for example, I was thinking about an interaction that I had with just a medical professional a few weeks ago. And so here I'm going to write a little letter, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to reword it into a more polite way. So we could say, please rewrite this email to sound professional and collaborative. So professional, don't sound like I'm insulting them, and collaborative meaning let's work together to get through this. So dear Dr. Lewis, I don't even know who it was that I was supposed to talk to. So the way that I felt in the moment was I was so mad that you didn't let me keep my appointment. This is not how I would write. No, keep my appointment with you. I was running late because I was stuck in traffic. And then I couldn't find your office. I called when my appointment was supposed to begin and left a message stating that I was running late. This was infuriating when you, I'm just going to do a quick right click on that. Oh, I misspelled it. Sorry, this is Grammarly that I have plugged in that fixes my writing as I go. This was infuriating when you refused to see me because I went out of my way to get there on time. I'll see you email to send to somebody, but here we go. So now it's going to give us a nice, Dear Dr. Lewis, I hope this message finds you well. I wanted to follow up regarding my missed appointment earlier this week. Unfortunately, I encountered unexpected traffic delays and had difficulty locating your office. I did call at the start of the appointment time and left a message to inform you that I was running late. I understand the importance of keeping to scheduled times, and I appreciate your consideration in managing a busy calendar. I regret any inconvenience this may have caused. I look forward to seeing you at our next appointment. Thank you. So there you go. It's softened it so it didn't sound like I was ranting and raving so much. So that's one of the things you could do. In my line of work, I'm often asked to write letters of recommendation, but also, sometimes you might be applying for a job. So actually, let's do that instead. I was going to write a letter of recommendation, but instead, let's do write a cover letter for what should we call it? An AI writing professional. I have a master's, I'll just say I have a doctoral degree in engineering. I have worked in the field for 15 years. Then you can say something, the position is for a project manager. Oh, I already said for the AI writing professional. So there we go. Please highlight my, and you're going to upload your resume, so highlight specific points in my resume. And then I would just copy and paste here, which I'm not going to right here, so it might not give us anything good, but this is kind of where I would go. In fact, what I would do is say, and here is the job description. And then that gives you, let's say paste. So that gives you both pieces of, it gives AI both pieces of information. So the biggest part about AI is you want to constrain it as much as possible. So by constraining it, you set the parameters that it's going to write within, and you're not letting it be creative on its own. So right now, we're letting it be creative on its own. Let's see what it gives us. Oh, so it's going to tell me to provide the resume details and job description. Anyway, well, we will not worry about that, but this is a nice little prompt for you to be able to complete on your own. So we can pick up with some more case studies in a minute.